Welcome to my channel. Here we have 2025 Neco Autocad questions and answers, which was done on this special day. Today is 7th of July 2025. So I'm going to provide answers to the 5 questions given here for computer-aided drawing. The total marks that are awarded to the answers is 30 marks, as you can see there, and the answers are to be written on the drawing paper provided to you, which I believe you have done. Now, let's quickly look at the answers to the questions. Question 1 says, name the following AutoCAD zoom icons. Name the following AutoCAD zoom icons. So the first one is zoom extent or extent. Then this one is read time, while this is zoom all or all. Then this is pan. Okay, so those are the name of these AutoCAD zoom icons as we have looked at them. Now let's look at question 2 that says that Roman figure 1, divine correct draw. And my own answer to this question is very short, so you may have your own in a lengthy form, but for me, I have this short definition of correct draw, and it says CorelDRAW is a vector graphics editor used for graphic design. So that is my own definition. Then question Roman figure 2 of question 2 says list 4 CorelDRAW tools. So I give more than 4 here. We have pick tool, we have shape tool, freehand tool, pen tool, rectangle tool, polygon tool, ellipse tool, polyline tool. So I made this more CorelDRAW tools because of the feature. Okay, question 3 says, mention the AutoCAD tool that can be used to obtain B from A in each of the following. So for us to obtain B from A here, we need to make use of scale. So that is what we did here. And for this one, so what we did is to offset A to a particular distance to have this small one. So this is offset. And then this one is copy. So we copied this one and pasted it here. And for this, we mirror. So we mirror this one and we have this here. Okay. So those are the tools that we can use to make this to transform B from to get B from A. Sorry for that. And then question 4 says that in a tabular form, list 3 input devices and output devices. So I put them here as instructed that we should make it to be in tabular form. So for input devices, we have keyboard, we have mouse, we have scanner, we have joystick, and we have microphone. While for output devices, we have monitor, we have printer, we have speaker, we have projector, then we have headphone. So those are input devices and output devices as we are instructed to put them in tabular form. Then the last question is question 5. Name 4 status bar icons in AutoCAD. Name 4 status bar icons in AutoCAD. We have grid display, we have snap mode, we have auto mode, poly tracking, we have polar tracking, we have dynamic input and line weight. Okay, so those are the AutoCAD status bar icon as listed here. Okay, so we have answered the 5 questions given to us in Neco computer-aided drawing. It's as simple as I've done it here. Thank you and keep on practicing. Okay.